Okay, this is called Caribbean Drive, and we're headed to Summerland Cove. Got a car behind me. Up and over the bridge. Yep, we're gonna do Caribbean Drive. What that horrendous noise is. Okay. See what's up the street here. On the right is canal. On the left is basically a direct ocean front. Okay, we're at Caribbean Drive West End. Now we're gonna go to the East End. Doing something there. They got an electric put in.
Yeah, they cleared the lot too.
Yeah. Car going. Somebody getting a pool. Somebody getting a house there. That's been ongoing for a year.
25, honey. She'll come fuck her down. She's the one that went flying by her house.
Oh, there's a nice couple doves. There's a Faringo Real Estate. There's an Expert Realty Group.
What?
I'm talking to my video. I'm narrating who the real estate people are. So we're about halfway down Caribbean, because here's 500 and it ends at about 1100. I don't know who's cooler, the stork or the flamingo. Probably the flamingo.
Well, I used to like the flamingo, but now I think I like the stork better.
Okay. We'll call it a tie.
Well, that's the only stork I've ever seen. You see a lot of the flamingos now.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. Maybe they have better marketing.
you call them things?
Egret.
Yeah, there you go.
Unless it's a sandhill crane.
Well, it's not gray.
Okay, it's probably an egret
I
then.
have to agree with you if it was gray.
Okay, we're at 800. Dead end. Yep, both sides are canal. Direct to the ocean or the Gulf.
We don't get our house painted, it's gonna look like that from there.
That's pretty wild. Oh, the Rosedale house. We went to that open house. It was cool. Gotta say, it's cool.
It's a nice home.
Very cool.
Great big lots.
Look, full rent.
Yeah.
Look, GIL Realty. 1082.
Yeah, that one, if you want to spend $11,000 a month, you can buy it.
Okay, let's go.
So,
Okay. And that's the end of Caribbean Drive.